Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouthwatering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, approximately 4 to 5 pounds. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon melted butter, optional. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon dried herbs, such as thyme, rosemary, or sage. 1 lemon, cut into halves. 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, peeled. 1 onion, quartered. Fresh herbs, such as thyme, rosemary, or sage, for stuffing, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Remove the giblets and neck from the cavity of the chicken, if they are included. Rinse the chicken inside and out with cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. Drizzle the olive oil all over the chicken, including the breast, legs, and wings. If desired, brush melted butter over the chicken for added richness and browning. In a small bowl, mix together the salt, black pepper, and dried herbs. Sprinkle the salt and herb mixture all over the chicken, ensuring it is evenly coated. Stuff the cavity of the chicken with the lemon halves, garlic cloves, onion quarters, and fresh herbs, if desired. This helps to infuse the chicken with flavor from the inside. Tie the legs together using kitchen twine to help maintain the shape of the chicken while it roasts. Place the chicken breast side up on a rack set inside a roasting pan or on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. The rack allows the heat to circulate around the chicken for more even cooking and crispy skin. Roast the chicken in the preheated oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the thickest part of the thigh reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Baste the chicken with the pan juices every 30 minutes or so to keep it moist. If the chicken starts to brown too quickly, you can tent it with aluminum foil to prevent overbrowning. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful chicken. Carve the chicken into serving pieces and serve it with your choice of side dishes, such as roasted potatoes, vegetables, or a fresh salad. Enjoy your delicious homemade roast chicken.